A Jamaican man is facing felonious charges in the U.S. after he was arrested for sexual assaulting a child over a 6-month period beginning in August 2018. Blair Betton, 42, is charged with predatory sexual assault against a child as well as sexual conduct against a child in the first degree. Investigators in New York charged Betton after a report was made on February 20 of this year. The Weekend Star contacted Detective Eugene Sayers of the Spring Valley Police Department, who confirmed Betton's arrest. Our news team attempted to get further information. However, the Weekend Star was asked to submit questions via email for consideration. The investigator cited that the nature of the offense was a hindrance for information to be shared via the telephone. Several U.S. media outlets have reported on the incident and ongoing investigation, including mugshots from Betton's arrest in their coverage. According to the incident Weiss investigated, and it was found that from August 2018 to February 20, 2019, a juvenile was the victim of numerous sexual assaults from a single offender. The investigation resulted in the arrest of Betton, of a Spring Valley, New York address. Betton is originally from Stony Hill in St. Andrew, and news of his arrest has sent tongues wagging in the community. The whole community talk about it. Is a Utah people know. When him Jababa work him do.